In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to all slides in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll have a consistent footer across your entire presentation, perfect for things like a presentation title, your organization, or a short disclaimer. Start by opening LibreOffice Impress. You can work with an existing presentation or a new one. Either way, we're going to add the footer once and have it appear everywhere it needs to. Next, head to the Insert menu at the top of the screen and choose Header and Footer. This opens a dialog where you control what appears on your slides and on your notes or handouts. Make sure you're on the Slide tab so the changes apply to your slides themselves. Now enable the footer by checking the box labeled Footer. Once that's on, type the exact text you want in the footer text box. Keep it short and clear so it doesn't distract from your content. Common choices include the presentation title, a department or project name, or a brief confidentiality line. The footer will follow your current theme style, so it should blend in automatically. While you're here, there are a few helpful options you can turn on. If you want slide numbers, check slide number. This is great for navigation during live talks and for audience reference. If you'd like to show a date, check Date and Time. You can set it to a fixed date if you want it to stay the same, or choose a variable date so it automatically updates to the current date whenever you open or print the presentation. Both choices are useful. A fixed date is ideal for archiving a final deck, while an updating date works well for recurring meetings. If you prefer a clean title page, check Do not show on the first slide. This keeps your opening slide focused on the main message without any extra text at the bottom. To make sure your footer appears everywhere, click Apply to All. This is the key step that pushes your choices across the entire deck. If you only click Apply, it affects just the current slide, so use Apply to All when you want consistency. That's it. Your slides now share the same footer, and optional elements like slide numbers and the date are in place if you chose them. If something doesn't look right, revisit Insert, Header, and Footer to adjust the text or options. A clear, consistent footer helps your audience stay oriented and gives your presentation a polished, professional finish.